Today, I want to talk about the simple present tense. We use the simple present to talk about daily routines, habits, facts, and things that are always true. I wake up early. I drink tea every morning. The sun rises in the east. For he, she, and it, we add s or es to the verb. For he, she, it plus verb plus s or es. He works every day. She likes coffee. It rains a lot here. Present simple, negative form. In English, the negative form of the present simple is made using do not, don't, or does not, doesn't, plus the base form of the verb. 1. For the subjects, I, you, we, they. Use don't plus base verb. Structure, subject plus don't plus base verb. Examples, I don't like tea. You don't understand the question. We don't watch TV at night. They don't study on weekends. 2. For the subjects, he, she, it. Use doesn't plus base verb. Structure, subject plus doesn't plus base verb. Important, the verb never takes s after doesn't. Examples, he doesn't play football. She doesn't eat meat. It doesn't work properly. Keynotes. The main verb always stays in its simple form, no s, es, ing, etc. Present simple, question form. To make questions in the present simple, English uses do or does at the beginning of the sentence. 1. For the subjects, I, you, we, they. Use do plus subject plus base verb. Structure, do plus subject plus base verb plus. Examples, do you like pizza? Do they live in London? Do we have class today? Do I need a ticket? 2. For the subjects, he, she, it. Use does plus subject plus base verb. Structure, does plus subject plus base verb plus. Important, the verb stays in base form, no s. Examples, does he play football? Does she speak English? Does it work well? Here are 20 present simple sentences in clear English, covering all subjects. Present simple sentences. I wake up early every day. I enjoy learning new things. You speak very clearly. You work hard every week. We study English together. We play games after school. They live in a small town. They visit their grandparents often. He drinks tea every morning. He plays the guitar very well. He reads the newspaper daily. She cooks dinner for her family. She walks to school. She listens to music every night. It rains a lot in winter. It looks beautiful in the sunlight. It makes a loud noise. It smells fresh after the rain. 20 negative present simple sentences. 1. I don't like spicy food. 2. I don't watch TV in the morning. You. 3. You don't understand the lesson. 4. You don't drink coffee at night. We. 5. We don't go to school on Fridays. 6. We don't play video games every day. They. 7. They don't speak French. 8. They don't work on weekends. He. 9. He doesn't eat vegetables. 10. He doesn't drive to work. She. 11. She doesn't study in the afternoon. 12. She doesn't like cold weather. It. 13. It doesn't rain much in summer. 14. It doesn't work properly. Extra mixed examples. 15. I don't feel tired today. 16. You don't need help right now. 17. We don't live near the beach. 18. They don't have a car. 19. He doesn't play the piano. 20. She doesn't watch horror movies. 20 present simple questions, all subjects. 1. Do I need a jacket? 2. Do I speak clearly? 3. Do you like chocolate? 4. Do you study English every day? 5. Do we have class today? 6. Do we live near the school? They. 7. Do they work on weekends? 8. Do they play football? He. 9. Does he eat breakfast? 10. Does he drive to work? She. 11. Does she like cats? 12. Does she study at night? It. 13. Does it work well? Extra mixed. 15. Do I need more time? 16. Do you understand the lesson? 17. Do we have enough money? 18. Do they speak English? 19. Does he watch TV? 20. Does she play the piano? You've now learned the present simple in all its forms, positive, negative, and question, with clear examples. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.